Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. How cool are fireworks?
Watch them, watch
2.
them, watch them.
That's like the fireworks
I
for
like those
WWE.
Cool.
Wait, they actually do a 6. Shouldn't they do a triple one?
Those are pretty cool.
Here goes the big one. They should really do a triple one.
I know.
Cool.
I like the. There was one for the WWE one.
It's gonna be 2. One before it, bring one after. Under. See? I just knew. I know this.
These are awesome.
I just know. I just know my fireworks.
Yeah, come on.
Fireworks!
Right.
Rip! My rip! Oh,
Quadruple one.
Cool.
That was 4.
Pretty cool.
I know. Oh, I didn't even see that one coming. Did you?
Nope.
But Dad, it would have been cool if Cat wouldn't let us on her roof, right? We could get a better picture.
But we would have been farther away.
What? We fell down. Dad wouldn't hold our hand, right, Dad? See? He even shook his head. That's how nice he is. Dad, look, green star up there.
Well, we're his kids. He's supposed to do that for us.
They should really do 4 of them at once, right, Dad? Ooh, blue.
These are the pretty fireworks.
My friend Claire,
We're super up close.
Clara,
Right behind these
my
trucks
friend Marissa,
are the
my
fireworks.
friend Marissa.
How long are these fireworks?
Probably for an hour or 2. I don't care.
Why does it matter?
Yeah, it's just cool.
Are
It's
you
just
out of the
cool.
Yeah.
Why does it matter?
I don't know.
Oh, there's the 4th one. Dad, that's the 4th one.
We're up past time. Mother would have put you to bed by now.
I
Yeah.
already taped 2 minutes. How long have you taped it? Because I'm at
2 minutes and 36 seconds.
I'm at 2:53.
Because you started before me.
Oh,
Remember?
Wow. Boom.
Remember, I don't like the
Boom,
loud
boom.
Don't be so loud.
Sorry, I just wanted to make boom, 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 boom.
You don't have to be
Thank
so
you,
loud.
Daddy.
I like this.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh, pretty.
Oh, I was thanking.
4th one.
I'm thanking him for bringing us here and for what he's doing
there's
right
the
now.
6th is going to be coming soon.
Past 3 minutes.
That would be amazing, right, Dad? Did you see how high that? Whoa, it's still using sparkling. It's using glitter. It's using blue glitter. Dad, how many fast fireworks for the 4th day of July? You light them at Dad's house. Down with us.
No.
Dad, don't you remember at Rosie's? It was even cooler.
I
How about
didn't
if we
like
get
it.
you headphones or earplugs?
Look at that. Those are cool.
Look, David spread out even more. Even more.
Not done.
They should do a real high one, like all the way up there, right, Dad?
That one just shot because it was a dud.
Okay, that
You don't
was
bite.
pretty cool. That was not pretty cool. It looks like a flower that faded into blue.
Are you filming this or are you filming the road?
I've
Because it looks like you were pointing at the road.
been filming. I've been
I
filming
don't
at
know what I'm
the
pointing at.
sky.
You don't even know what I'm pointing at.
Oh, we'll just send you
No,
this
I don't.
video.
That's why I asked you. I can see it when they go off, though. Meadow's doing it. Meadow's got almost his whole forward show.
I do too.
I was just like 20 seconds
Dad.
off.
Mine
Aubrey
is
has
5
20
minutes long.
Aubrey has 20 more seconds of me on the road.
Yeah, stop pointing at the do a pretty high one. I'm really hoping for like a real high one up there.
I saw that
This one, very high.
those
Aw,
two.
that wasn't very high. They should do one going very, very high, right, Dad?
We're about to do a whole bunch high. Watch.
That was pretty heavy. I wonder how they did that, though.
Bros, we can sit right down. We're up against the wall, you know.
We can.
Next one. Heads up.
Whoa.
Oh. Actually, I did something.
This is so awesome. My friend Carlosa should be at this, Daddy.
Doing this.
Okay. Thank you too.
Why are they doing fireworks? Why are they doing
Look at this bug right here. This bug is just spinning around in circles.
I know.
It was awesome.
Oh yeah, they did a pretty high one. I'm happy about that one. But they should do a very good one.
They're going to. Pretty soon they're going to set off like 15, 20, right?
Ooh, right there, right there.
Really?
Yeah. And then they're just going to go off for like 5 minutes straight.
For 5 minutes straight, they're just gonna go.
Yeah, it's just going to be
That
boom,
wasn't
boom,
that bad.
boom, boom, boom,
Like
boom,
that
boom, 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 boom.
That's
what it's
awesome.
gonna
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm gonna show my mom this video so then she can see the fireworks. If I made this like way bigger.
I had to record without shooting. It's my sister's dog.
Bang! 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 Bang!
Blonde blue.
Bang! Bang! How'd you guess that, Aubrey?
Pink blue.
Pink.
I guess I'm real good at fireworks for now. Ooh,
Pink.
green.
Oh, that was a smiley face.
That was?
Yeah.
Ooh, pink blue. Go. Oh.
Blue.
Oh, I already
White. Pink.
I barely have any more space.
Delete stuff.
Make the
That
fight.
That was cool.
Keep just.
See that one? Mel?
Yeah. I'm gonna send you. Aubrey, I'll just send you this video.
She's not in the room.
I know, but I'll
She's
send
got
it to you.
next room. Here we go, Aubrey.
Whoa, that was loud. That made me jump. Technically, all of these made me jump.
Yeah, that's cool.
Bang! 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 Bang!
Aubrey, you didn't watch it. So watch fireworks and delete stuff later. Metal's taping the whole thing, so give it to you. You can take metal phone, plug it into your computer, and upload it right to your computer, Aubrey. Really?
Just watch the fireworks.
Don't leave your phone there.
Can I put it in your pocket?